Spaghetti Bolognese. Do you like spaghetti bolognese? Let's make some. First, you'll need a large heavy-bottomed saucepan. Cast iron is best. Add some olive oil. Fry 6 large strips of bacon until golden and crispy. Peel and chop up onions. Add to the saucepan. Chop up the garlic and celery and add. Next, get some rosemary and remove the leaves. Add the rosemary sprigs. Prepare the ground hamburger, minced beef. Add salt and pepper. Turn up the heat. Add the mince and let simmer. Next, add tomatoes and stir. Let simmer for 1 hour at a low heat. Boil water in a pot. Add salt. Add the spaghetti. Boil the spaghetti until al dente, approximately 7 to 9 minutes. Strain the spaghetti to remove the water. Serve the spaghetti and top with sauce. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. It's time to eat. Enjoy!